Ever wondered how you could build your own AI? It's 2026, and creating a custom AI is more accessible than ever. Whether you're thinking of a simple automation bot or a complex deep learning model, this is your complete roadmap. Let's get started. First, before you even think about code, you need to define your AI's purpose. What is its job description? Is it a predictive AI, designed to forecast things like stock prices or sales trends? Or is it a generative AI, meant to create new content like text, images, or even code? Maybe you're building an agentic AI, an autonomous system that can perform tasks for you, like researching and booking a flight. Once you know its job, you must define success. What does a good AI look like for your project? Does it need to be 95% accurate, or does it just need to respond in under a second? Clarity here is key. Next, you'll choose your development path. The fastest route is the no-code path. Using tools like Make or N8N, you can connect powerful existing AI models, like GPT-4o or Claude 3.5, directly to your apps without writing a single line of code. It's like building with high-tech LEGOs. For more control and customization, you'll want the high-code path. Python is still the undisputed king here. Your best friend will be Cursor, which is the leading AI native code editor in 2026. It will help you write, debug, and optimize your logic, making the whole process much smoother. Now for the fuel that powers your AI, data. Your AI is only as good as the data it learns from. For sourcing, you can find tons of free public datasets on Kaggle for almost any topic. If you need something more specific, a tool like Apify can scrape data directly from the web for you. But raw data is messy. You'll need to clean it. The Python library Pandas is perfect for removing duplicates, fixing errors, and getting your dataset in shape. If your AI needs to recognize images, you'll also need to label that data. A platform like Labelbox makes it easy to tag your images so the AI knows what it's best looking at. With your data ready, it's time to select and train your model. The good news is, in 2026, you rarely start from scratch. The most common approach is fine-tuning. You take a powerful base model, like Llama 3 or Mistral, and feed it your specific cleaned data. Hugging Face is the go-to platform for this, offering a huge library of pre-trained models. For training, you have options. You can use Llama to run and test models directly on your own computer, which is great for smaller projects. But if you need some serious horsepower, cloud training with Google Colab gives you access to high-end GPUs to speed things up significantly. Once your model is trained, it's time for the final exam. You need to evaluate its performance. Give the AI data it has never seen before and see how it does. If it performs poorly, you might have a problem called overfitting, where the AI simply memorized the training data instead of learning the underlying patterns. A powerful technique to solve this and to keep your AI up to date is called RAG, or Retrieval Augmented Generation. Instead of constantly retraining the entire model, you connect it to a specialized vector database like Pinecone. This acts like an external brain, allowing your AI to look up information from your private documents in real time, making its answers far more accurate and relevant. Finally, it's time to release your AI into the world. This is deployment and monitoring. To host your AI and make it accessible online, you can use Vercel for web applications or SageMaker for heavy-duty, scalable enterprise solutions. But your job isn't done after launch. AI models can experience drift, meaning they get less accurate over time as the world changes. You need to monitor their health. A tool like Arise helps you keep an eye on your model's performance, alerting you when its accuracy drops and it's time to retrain it with fresh 2026 data. And that's the roadmap. From defining your goal to monitoring your live AI, you now have the steps to build your own AI in 2026. The tools are here. The knowledge is accessible, and the possibilities are endless. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more guides on the future of technology.